Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my Deli business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into my Deli business plan template. Specifically, I'll show y'all what's included in the Word document portion of it, which is the actual business plan template itself. And then I'll also show you the Excel file, which is the financial model for the business plan Deli's financial statements. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy this presentation that I've got prepared for y'all. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Deli business plan template. So in my template, when you do purchase the Deli business plan template, it does come with a Word document, which is the actual business plan template itself. And then it comes with an Excel financial model. This is where you're going to change your numbers and your financial statements are going to be calculated. And once you change the numbers in the financial model, you can then just copy and paste the financial statements into the Word document. And I will be covering both of those documents in this video. So when you do open the Word document portion of the business plan template, you will be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, they're going to remove this word right here. They'll paste their company logo, and then they'll leave business plan underneath. The next page is going to be the table of contents. Once you update the information within the business plan, you're going to come back to the table of contents, click on update the table, click on update their entire table, click on OK, and then all of your headers and all of your page numbers will be updated accordingly. The next section is going to be your executive summary section, and in this section I give you a real good starting point for the Deli summary information, your target market, your financial highlights, and then your funding request section. Anywhere in yellow or in parentheses in yellow, that is where I recommend you put your information and or review it to make sure it is aligned with your company description or the vision that you have for your business. Also, for the financial highlights, this information right here would come from the financial model. So once you open up the financial model, you put all your information in there, the numbers, your sales, etc. Once that information's in there, then you can go ahead and update this section right here with the appropriate information. Next section is going to be your company description. This is where you're going to go ahead and just describe your company pretty much. I give you a starting point for the Deli summary right here. Popular products offered, competitive advantages. Then we have a section for your primary target market, your pricing strategy, hours of operation, your location and description, and then to summarize, just to finalize this section, I do include a brief strategic plan, which is under your business objectives and timeline. This is just going to tell the reader where you expect to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. The next section is going to be your industry analysis or your industry research. And in this section, I do include research from the meat markets industry. This information is obtained from IBIS World. And in my opinion, IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. And here are some of the statistics that I do summarize from the report obtained. The next section is going to be your SWOT analysis section. And so your SWOT is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. This is Smart Art. Anytime you come across Smart Art, you're just going to click the Smart Art, click on the little arrow out here, and then update anywhere that you see bullet points. Your next section is going to be the organizational structure. Organizational structure is broken into two segments, which is your ownership segment and your organizational chart. Again, update this information to best reflect how your company is going to look once you launch or once you're done expanding. The next section is going to be your marketing section. In the marketing section, I give you a good start for traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So update this as you see fit. The next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? Go ahead and put it right here. The terms of the loan, and then the interest rate range would be here. And again, read through it and update it to best reflect your needs. And the next section is going to be the profit and loss, the financial projections. So the financial projections that I do include in my financial model, which is what we're going to cover in just a minute. It does include profit and loss broken down monthly as well as quarterly for the first year, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. And then here we'll have month 4 through 6, quarter 2. And then we'll have month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, this section is wrapped up with the pro forma income statement. And this just summarizes what your revenues are going to be, your expenses, and your net profits will be for the next 5 years broken up annually. Now, all this information does come from my financial model, which is an Excel spreadsheet. And this is the financial model right here that's included in the Deli business plan template. So this model right here, it has 4 tabs. It's your information page, your projection page, which just summarizes your financial standings, profit and loss page, which is your profit and loss statement broken up quarterly as well as monthly, and then your income statement page, which is your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years, again broken up annually. Now, once you update all the information on the information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement will update accordingly. And once you're done updating it, all you do is just go ahead and copy and paste your financial statements into the Word document, and you're ready to go. Now, some of the areas that you can change will be on your information page. So on the information page, anywhere in darker colored cells, that's where you're going to update your information. So I break it into daily sales, labor, startup cost, monthly fixed costs. Again, anywhere in the darker cells, that's where you're going to update your information. Tax rate, growth rates for the next 5 years for revenues, as well as annually for cost, and then your loan information. So I do provide a more in-depth examination on how to use this financial model on my website, but that's just a brief overview. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.